a lot of robotics now. Thinking is there'll be something like over 20% increase in robotic mowers over the next 4 or 5 years. Small hand tools, robotic milking parlours now, where the cows come in themselves. The farmer doesn't need to go out there at 6 o'clock in the morning and bring the cows in to milk them. The cows will automatically come in. They'll automatically go into the stalls, be milked and probably fed as well, because they're tagged. And they'll pick up that tag as they go in. Autosteer, we spoke about machines driving in a straight line. They can be controlled once you set the parameters of the field onto the machine. It will automatically steer it in the direction you program it to do, or the operator programs it to do. But when it goes faulty, we need to do that. There's screens inside the car which will tell the driver where he is. Sometimes he'll follow that screen manually, but what he needs to do is input the width of his sprayer or whatever machine he's working on, and it can come back in a parallel line at the exact width of the machine. Some of the controls inside the tractors and screens that they've got on now. Just a few shots. So there's the one tractor there. It's got 3 different screens for different either machines in the back. One of them will tell them about the telematics in the tractor. That information can be fed now back to base, perhaps from the combine harvester back to base. It goes into the farm computer. The farm manager will then pass that information back, and then it may be fed into another machine. That all goes right into precision farming, where all that information can be fed in from the farm office, fed from individual machines back to the farm office, and that information can be fed up. Drones, as talked about earlier on, are increasing using drones, and we'll hear about that all the time. Robotic tractors now, they don't need a driver. Well, why do they have drivers? From a health and safety point of view at this moment in time. But the technology is there for that machine to work on its own and go back and forward the field and round the field. There was a programme just recently where Harper Adams did a whole season without any operators in any of these machines. Did a whole season, cultivation, right